it's March 10. Tama ba dito? Today's March 10.
Yep.
Okay, today's March 10. I just bought a new watch. New Seiko 5 automatic watch. Okay. Let me show you my new watch. Okay. Automatic. There. Very classy automatic watch. Brand new. Tama? Looks very expensive, huh? One nice thing about this watch, I like this watch is this. You can see it's a machine at the back. Okay. You can see it's mechanical, yeah, the machine. See?
Kinalawag na nga sa loob eh. May kalawag na oh.
Oo.
Pero may kalawag na.
Putak lang yan eh. Galing, no? Okay.
Tama ba itong serial number niyan?
This is a Class A imitation, I guess.
Saan ka makikita ang serial number nito?
Ito mo, kitang-kita yung number, oh. Ano sila number?
709.
Water resistance, and there's a written here, W96050. Ito, meron dito, oh.
Model number.
The serial number 19660.
Hindi, nasa loob eh.
Yung serial number.
196, ano yan?
And this watch has a warranty card. Look at the warranty card. Okay. The watch number is 1966050. Tama, matching eh. Match yung serial number eh.
Ito. Model number.
Model number is 700S
9 yan.
4009, then 196050. Purchased February 25, year 2008 for 3,005 duty free. Ito kaya to?
Ito yan.
Parallel
cable siya. Parallel cable.
Okay, with the signature.
80. Printer? Yan na.
Nice watch, isn't it? So, it's a very classy watch. Made of gold. Grabe, ganda ng camera ko. Pati zoom, kitang-kita eh. Monday. It's a Monday 10.
Ano pala? Thermo 1...
Ano nga naman yan?
Talagang class na class, no? Ito. Kay Salo na to. Ito, naisop po kay Salo ito. Kay Gerard. Yan mo ha, ganda ng watch ko ha. Naisop na yung sa kanyang Seiko chronograph. Yan, ito. Ganda na camera ko, pwede magnifying glass. So, it's a stopwatch. So, yan, no? You can see 100 of a second. Okay. Nasa po kay Salo to. Dami na stretch yung watch. You can see the itong stretch na. And the reset. Okay. Nice watch, oh. Kompleto na yung collection ko. Kulang na lang, Eco Drive na lang. Yun lang kulang.